so these are newly poured curbs protecting the Davenport lane here, just south of DuPont. I mean, it looks like it's getting there, but it is still a construction site. That is a muddy mess. And now I'm on this little unusual stretch of bike lane slash pedestrian pathway that it's on both sides of Bayview here. I'm supposed to be on the left side here, and the right side is supposed to be for pedestrians. Under the 401, using the GO train platform at Oriole GO Station. A lovely pedestrian bridge with no bike gutter to ride up, or push your bike up, that is. There we go. Hello. Just on the passenger platform here for the GO train. Alright, nowhere else to go here. It's an interesting parking lot right under the highway. Oh, somebody put a bike lane in on Esther Shiner. But for whatever reason doesn't actually connect to Leslie. So you never know who's here. Yo! Hey! This is a ride. You got this. I was gonna take a trailer, but I can't find my hitch, so I have here my trusty Second Harvest food rescue bag. So you're not going to be able to haul, I guess, unless you want to take it in your car and cheat. I'm not. Alright, so we are stacking up a penne pomodoro today. Oh no, never say that. So we're just about maxed out of our current capacity here. this. They recently redid this fridge. It's looking so good. You actually can't see the light coming through from this side, but when you open it, it's like, yo. Here on the Beltline Trail, for some reason the snow is a lot slippier here. And you get kind of like sucked into the softer stuff to the right, and then it's extra hard to just edge your wheel back to the left.